get started to listen fairy tale.
The Cow, the Calf, and the Tiger. Once upon a time, there were 3 animals: a cow, a calf, and a tiger. They went to look for food in the forest. Once the tiger had seen the cow, he jumped to catch the cow and intended to kill. But the cow begged, "Please pity on me and release me to breastfeed my child, and I will come back to be your food." The tiger agreed with the cow. The cow said trembly, "You have to suck as much as you can, because I have agreed with the tiger to go back to be his food." The calf heard like this. He had no feeling to suck anymore. He went to meet the tiger with his mother. When the calf saw the tiger, he begged, "My mother has many kindnesses on me. Please you eat me in an exchange to my mother. Please complete my wish." Because of the power of being grateful, the tiger felt sympathy and released them. Thank you for watching this video.